Did you know that if you don't have a microwave or don't want to use your microwave, whatever team you're on, this is a simple, easy way to reheat your food in 5 minutes flat. I have an autoimmune disease, and so low-toxing my life is not just something I want to take part in, it's something I have to take part in, and I don't use the microwave all that much for a lot of reasons. This is the way I reheat my food. My grandma taught it to me before she even had a microwave, and I've used it for years and years. So yes, it really works. Don't put plastic Tupperware in it. All the details are below in the caption, and follow me for more non-toxic lifestyle.